Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to manage fixed assets in QuickBooks Online Advanced. This process helps you accurately track high-value items like vehicles, equipment, and computers in your accounting system, which is essential for both financial reporting and tax purposes. Let's start by setting up your fixed asset account. Head to the gear icon in the upper right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. This icon gives you access to all the administrative and setup features you'll need. From the menu that appears, click on Chart of Accounts under the Your Company section. The Chart of Accounts is where you manage all the categories that organize your financial data. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts page, click the New button. This opens up a form where you'll define a new account specifically for your fixed asset. In the Account Type dropdown, select Fixed Assets. This designation tells QuickBooks that you're tracking a long-term asset rather than a regular expense. Next, choose the detail type that best matches the asset you're adding. For example, if you're recording a company vehicle, select Vehicles, or if it's computer equipment, choose Computers. This helps categorize your assets correctly for reporting. Now enter a clear and descriptive name for the fixed asset account. Something like office computers or delivery trucks works well because it makes the account easy to identify later. Once you've filled in these details, click Save and Close to create the account. With your fixed asset account set up, it's time to record the actual purchase. Click the plus New button on the left navigation menu. From here, select either Expense, Check, or Bill depending on how you paid or are paying for the asset. If you paid immediately with a card or bank transfer, use Expense. If you wrote a check, choose Check, and if you're paying on terms, select Bill. In the transaction form, look for the category or account field and select the fixed asset account you just created. This links the purchase to your asset tracking. Enter the purchase date, purchase price, and any other relevant details like the vendor name or a description of the asset. These details are important for maintaining accurate records and supporting any future audits or tax filings. Once everything is filled in, click Save and Close to record the purchase. And that's it. You've now set up and recorded a fixed asset in QuickBooks Online Advanced, giving you clear visibility into your company's long-term investments. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.